Luffy, whose full name is Monkey D. Luffy, is the main protagonist of the popular anime and manga series One Piece. Born with the dream of becoming the Pirate King, Luffy embarks on an epic journey to find the ultimate treasure, known as the One Piece, and become the ruler of the seas. Luffy starts his adventure as a young pirate with a rubber-like body due to eating a devil fruit, a mystical fruit that grants him unique abilities, but takes away his ability to swim. He forms a crew known as the Straw Hat Pirates, consisting of diverse and talented individuals who share his dream and support him throughout his journey. As they sail across the vast and dangerous world of the Grand Line, Luffy and his crew face numerous challenges, battles, and encounters with powerful enemies, including other notorious pirates, tyrannical world government agents, and even ancient creatures. They also form alliances with various factions, including the Revolutionary Army, to challenge the oppressive system. Luffy's unwavering determination, fearless nature, and strong sense of justice make him a formidable opponent. He develops incredible combat skills, known as Haki, which enable him to battle formidable foes. Luffy's signature attack is his Gomu Gomu no Pistol, where he stretches his rubber arm to deliver powerful punches. Throughout his journey, Luffy constantly strives to protect his friends and allies, as well as innocent people he encounters, from injustice and tyranny. He also forms deep bonds and friendships with many characters, earning their loyalty and respect. As the story progresses, Luffy and his crew uncover the mysteries of the Grand Line, confront powerful adversaries, and challenge the oppressive world order. Their actions inspire and rally people from all walks of life to rise up against tyranny and injustice. The story of Luffy and the Straw Hat Pirates is an epic tale of adventure, friendship, and the pursuit of dreams as they navigate treacherous seas, unravel the secrets of the world, and strive to make their mark on history.